Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Click on subscribe button, click on bell icon and click on all button. Hello friends, if you want to switch off WhatsApp application and use another application like WhatsApp, then this video is for you. In this video, I will tell you how to download, set up and start using Signal Private Messenger on your smartphone. Open Play Store and type Signal and install Signal Private Messenger in your phone. Friends, watch complete video step by step. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon and then click on all. Dear friends, Signal is the most popular instant messaging platform available today. The Messenger app claims to offer private messaging with end-to-end encryption in addition to other regular features. This Messenger app is also a good alternative for those who do not agree with WhatsApp's latest privacy policy update. In this video, I will tell you step by step how to use Signal app. Open Signal app on your smartphone and tap Continue. Allow necessary permissions. Click on Continue. Allow necessary permissions. Allow Signal to access your contact. Click on Allow button. Enter the phone number which you want to use for Signal and verify. Type your phone number and click on Next button. Enter code. After entering the code, now it is verified. Now set up your profile. Set your username. My name is Rao Rizwan. The second option is optional. Now click on the picture, profile picture. Click on allow. And I want to choose this picture for my profile picture. Now it's looking good. Click on the next button. Now create your PIN like password. It must be at least 4-digit number. After entering the digit number, click on the next button and re-enter your PIN number and click on next. Now all is done. Click on cross button. Guys, this application is same like WhatsApp. If you want to change setting, click on setting. Now I want to send message. Click on pencil icon button below side. This is my friend list. I want to choose my friend Hamza to send messaging. Now click on the arrow button. Now you're looking, the hi message is double checked. It's mean it's delivered. Click on camera button. Click on continue. Click allow. Now this is my front camera. Click on smiley icon. Is same like as WhatsApp emojis. Now you're looking all the list of emojis. This is very good application. Click on mic icon to record message, voice message. record and send voice message. This is very simple. This application is mostly same as WhatsApp application. Now click on gallery. Now you can send GIF images, stickers. Now you can send file also. Now you can share your contact list. You can send number to another friends. You can share location also. If you want to delete send message, hold and click on dustbin button. Click on delete for everyone. Message is removed from both sides. Now I will tell you how to make group in Signal Messenger. Click on pencil icon button below side. Click on new group. This is my friend list. You can choose maximum 150 friends to make group. Now I want to choose 2 friends to make group. Click on arrow button. Type group name. Click on create button. Now finally is done. If you want to block, you can check group setting to add another member. You can block group, you can leave group. Is same as like WhatsApp. Guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.